Hi, I'm Sean with Quick and Dirty. Today we're going to be going over how hot and noisy the Amaran S Series really gets. Today I'll be comparing the Amaran 60XS with the 100XS and the 200XS. Three bicolored lights that offer a lot of bang for their buck. Now, as you might know, I'm a very cautious consumer. A lot of research goes into every purchase that I make so that I make sure that I love it and use it. And I'm not sponsored or paid by Amaran. Every Amaran light that I own has come out of my own wallet. In all, I own about 5 Amaran lights. Right now I'm being lit by 2 PT4C tube lights, 4-foot tube lights, and a off-brand little tube light for my face. Today I'm testing the fan noise with a Rode NTG3B shotgun mic hooked up to a Zoom F6 32-bit float recorder. And yeah, we're gonna be about 4 foot from the lights and directing the shotgun mic directly towards the lights. All right, quick note, all 3 lights in the app have a medium and smart mode that you can control the fan noise to some degree with. Medium mode keeps the fans running steady, while smart mode adjusts to the fan's output and heat, usually giving you some relief. Let's see how dirty they get. The 2 PT4C lights I got lighting the room are noiseless, so this is the room tone. Let's start with the Amaran 100XS in medium mode at 100%, and this is the fan noise. Changing the fan mode to smart. Down to 50%. Now down to 25. And down to 10. That's pretty quiet. All right, I'm going to turn off the 100XS and let's test the 200XS now. Turning on the 200XS with the fan mode set to medium. I'm going to change the fan mode to smart. Ooh, as you can tell, that drastically reduced the fan noise. 50%. Going down to 25%. And 10%. All right. That was the 200XS compared to the 100XS. And this is the Amaran 60XS in medium fan mode. I'm going to switch over to smart fan mode. And you'll notice there was no difference. I'm going to drop down the power from 100 brightness in smart fan mode down to 50. And you might notice there was no difference. Moving down to 25. Still no difference. And 10. And it's the same. The fan noise on the 60XS emits from the front of the light and the rear equally, so you really can't escape the fan noise. And here's a quick cut comparison of all the lights so you can really hear the sound difference. Verdict: the 100XS is a smooth operator. The 200XS is okay, but once you turn on smart mode, you'll want to do that because it sounds so much better. And the Amaran 60XS is kind of a loudmouth. No matter what level, what mode, it's gonna be loud. There's a lot of misinformation out there on the Amaran 60XS. I read a lot of reviews saying it was more quiet than the 200XS, and that's why I made the purchase. I may have a defective unit. I'm in communication with Amaran's great customer service, and we'll see how that goes. It could be a problem with the heat sensor. You know, that being said, I love my other Amaran gear. Ordering direct from Amaran has been smooth, their customer service is awesome, and their lights are solid for the price. And if this video helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, or subscribe for more quick and dirty online tutorials and reviews. Thank you for watching, and remember till next time, keep it quick and dirty.